Only a quick project today because I only had an hour to spare. I'm just cutting down the backing board and the cleat, and then a little bit for the supports on the sides. Just marking out here with a punch where I want to drill the holes through, then I'll head over to the pillar drill. We need some 9mm holes spaced 45mm apart, and we'll go all the way along doing that. Then the next job is onto the bandsaw. We'll just cut the slots out, just do the last one there. And just with the round over bit, we'll just go over all the edges just to make them nice and smooth. And then the most stressful bit of any job, the glue up. I don't know why, but this stresses me out every time. We'll just whack a few brad nails in as well, just to keep it extra secure. And then the final bit, we'll just put the end pieces on. And that's it. Let's see how it looks.